Welcome back to the Garden with Joy and Holly radio show. You got a question, we've got an answer. It's time for your questions, our answers. You want to send it in, you can do that in two ways. GardenTalkRadio@gmail.com, GardenTalkRadio@gmail.com, or you can give us a call on the Proclamation Hotline, brought to you by Proclamation Goods. That number, 1-800-927-SHOW, 1-800-927-7469.
Proclamation Goods creates cookware for the eco-conscious home chef. Their pans are non-toxic, have a lifetime warranty, and are made in Wisconsin. Their award-winning stainless steel Proclamation Duo cookware set is a 12-inch skillet and a stock pot that doubles as a wok. Best of all, the skillet and stock pot hinge together to form a Dutch oven. It's 2 pans with the versatility of 10. Empowering you to cook more with less. If you care about your health and strive for a more sustainable lifestyle, then Proclamation Goods is for you. Supply is limited, so order is now at proclamationgoods.com.
All right, let's go to the hotline, and we have a question from a listener listening to us on the Roar of the Rockies, 1360 AM, over in Colorado.
I'm in northern Colorado. A few years ago, I bought clearance plants at Lowe's, not realizing what I was doing. I brought spider mites to my yard and am now heavily into gardening again, and they're everywhere. So I'm wondering how I can get them out of my plum tree. Yes, how do I get the spider mites out of my plum tree? Been listening to the ways to get them out of my garden, but the one I'm not sure of is that plum tree. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Well, thank you for giving us a call, and here is the answer.
Sure. So you want to use something like Dr. Zymes or the amazing Dr. Zymes Eliminator, and this is made of naturally occurring organic materials in combination with citric acid and other biologically stimulating ingredients to produce a fungicide/miticide with multiple modes of action. So it will get rid of the spider mites.
You can use it up to the day of harvest. The day of harvest, spray it right on your edible plants. And if you're concerned about, is it going to work, we got that covered for you. drzymes.com/garden talk. You can get two Eliminator super concentrated 2-ounce samples for free. You pay for shipping and handling, and you will be hooked on it. It is a product that works time and time again. All right, let's get to our next question here.
So I had my insulin delivered, and it was packed with Enviro Ice. Has anyone ever used this as a fertilizer? Being a nitrogen base, can I put it on my garden, or maybe I need to dilute it? What can I do?
I would dilute it with water and then work it into the soil around your plants. I've seen this before. I'm not certain of all of the details along with it, but there are companies that are going in this direction so they can make a lesser impact on the world. So I would dilute it and feed your plants with it.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.